Okay, so this week we are going to be talking about schemas and normalization. This section is on converting your ERDs to schema, and then the next one will be on the normalization process. These two work hand in hand. Oftentimes, you will be normalizing your data through the creation of schemas. So the homework kind of will play on both of those. But by the time you get into the discussion about the normalization, because you've gone through all the ERD stuff before and the schema discussion now, the normalization should feel intuitive instead of a stretch on how to do those. All right, so Watts chapter 10 and 12 support the weak, the schema and the normalization and the constraints. So it's those two chapters for both Tuesday and Thursday. So this week we're going to be talking about a little bit more about constraints, such as the entity integrity and the referential integrity that we touched on last week. And then we're going to get into how to convert your ERD into schema, and that is basically the last step in the process of creating the logical schema. So by the time you finish this lecture set, that part of the process in developing your database will be done. You'll be fully equipped to do all the modeling, and that's everything that you'll need before getting into Access or Libre. So enjoy the pen and paper work while you can. The key terms, this slide I'm just leaving the same for both Tuesday and Thursday. So the last row there, normalization and on, is really for Thursday's class. All right, we're going to start with our review and then get into the constraints, and then we'll into the schemas.